The underwear that I write about every day and the outerwear that I write about every day should not be hidden. Just wash them together. Listen to it. Mixing underwear and outerwear can easily lead to cross-infection. If you want to suddenly give it to Hisense washing machine most of the 2.0 clothes, choose Jiaodong to do the cleaning. Its multi-tub separated design allows dedicated space for underwear, socks, and outerwear. Each washes his own complementary interference. This time, we don't have to worry about cross-infection from mixed races. It can liberate the beasts without feeling at ease. And its 3 buckets are all designed for washing red clothes. After washing and drying, you don't need to expose yourself to the sun. In the past, my clothes were always wet when it rained. One person doesn't have this problem at all now. Just take it out and drop it. With him, learning a needle is easy and simple. Friends, don't be confused. Now there is a 85% discount tour for the country and it will come down immediately.